Aapelinraitti and Haapalinna, one of the suburbs of Tampere, Finland. Let me just show you one thing before we're going to ride the elevator, because these water. This evacuation plan is from the 24th of July 2001, so this will be 20 years old very shortly. Extremely interesting. Because these 4 rooms are 305 rooms, and while they're building 5 is from 1996. This was built in 1997, and only one digit is the difference between the 1996 one and this one. So this has to be 1997, probably January 1997. 7 floors here. The serial number is 68704, and it's going to be inspected this year, 2021. It will turn 25 years already next year, 2022. Now let's try it. Speed button is interesting, so I get it down and then the speed.
Yeah.
Pretty weird.
Yeah.
But it's for the turn of the year 1996, 97. This one and the building 5. It's not that often that you see 2 elevators that close.
Yeah.
In different buildings.
Yeah.
But they were built at the same time.
Yeah.
It's also a nice staircase here.
Yeah.
And it is still quite fresh.
Yeah.
Second ride.
Yeah. Expected parkkiväispä melkein drone.
I don't think there are so many novel elevators in this suburb.
Yeah.
These 2 we know already, but I don't think there's much more.
Yeah.
I think all other ones are Otis Series 1 and also Vanatolis and Vanat.
Yeah.
But that's why we also had 2 families, because this is more rare in this district.
Yeah.
Yeah, and possibly even the only ones.
Yeah.
There's also nearby the Series 1 from the mid-90s,
Yeah.
where it was 2 column.
Yeah.
And that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and please also watch this video 5 here, because it's only 1 digit difference between the late 1996 one and this one, 1997.
That's